this project in mind, go through this list of, on page 69, what business or organizational impacts might be impacted by the change. And then also look at the other side. What personal and cultural impacts do you need to think about? And then put an X or a check mark next to the things that you think need to be kept in mind as you go through this change. Okay? When I first saw that list, I was blown away. Like, there's a lot. There's a lot that change impacts, doesn't it? It's hard not to feel like a little, whoa. Like it's not just being hit by a train almost. But that's why change can be a challenge. As much as you want to appreciate the possibility, that's why a lot of 70% of change projects fail. I hate to say it, but that's the statistic. 70% of change. And this is why, because of all of these things you need to think about, and do you have the resources, and do you have the right champions in place, and are you working with those champions across the organization? Right? Remember that example I gave you yesterday with Daniel Leclerc, and how they wanted to change the customer service culture within Public Works and Government Services Canada? And how when he put together that leadership team of the senior leaders, but they weren't showing up at the meetings. He said, okay, this change is not going to work because I need those champions here. They need to know what's happening. So he addressed a problem as soon as he started to see it happening. So you really need to understand the importance of having the right people engaged. So engagement is super important.